Wellness fam, Kia from Salvation Wellness here, and today I'm going to answer another Ask a Massage Therapist. So one of our clients actually asked, and this is something that we get a lot when people call in, but it's what do you wear during a massage? Like, what do you bring? So generally, if you're coming to a place like Salvation Wellness, you don't have to bring anything. You come in the clothes that you wear, you'll be fully draped on the table. You have a private room to yourself to get dressed and undressed. Now, when you are on the table, we do ask that you, I like to say, doff your clothing, you disrobe to your comfort level. For men, that usually means that they keep their underwear on unless there's something really specific in like maybe the hips or glute range. For women, that usually means that you'll be taking off any of your upper undergarments, but leaving your lower undergarments on. You are always fully draped. One of the cool things about massage therapists is that in school, we actually learn how to what's called drape a body. And what that means is that at any given time, anything that needs to remain private remains private. And we learn to actually drape the sheets so that if we're exposing your arm, only your arm is exposed and everything else is securely tucked around your body. If we're exposing a leg, everything around the leg is secure and tucked in, but your leg is exposed so we can work on it. So when you come in, you can feel confident that everything is taken care of. There are places, other massage therapy places, a lot of times there's like the Twee-Na places, and you might want to come in wearing loose, comfortable cotton clothes with maybe, a bra that's easy to remove. That way when they work through your clothing, which is a lot of times what happens, you're comfortable and there's nothing itching or there's no clasps or anything that might get in the way of a really good massage. And then of course there's things like Reiki, where you stay fully clothed and on top of the table. And but still you don't have to bring anything specific. So you also have modalities like Thai massage, where you're doing this combo of yoga and massage, and again you're fully clothed. That is something that you would want to be considerate about what you wear, nothing super tight or restrictive. But again, for the most part, if you have a good therapist who is licensed, they're going to be able to work with you where you're at and what you're wearing. If you have any other questions, please DM us or put them in the comment section below. I'd love to look at them and answer what I can.